If you are a trader, then you must watch this forecast before placing your next trade. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I hope all of you are doing well and ready for today's video. Market was moving as expected last week as usual for DXY, euro dollar, pound dollar, gold mainly. I know a lot of you trade gold and I hope you made money trading the upwave. Anyway, I'll show you the proof shortly, but before we start, this is our YouTube channel, guys. For those of you who are new, of course, this is our official YouTube channel. It's We Trade Waves, as you can see here. All our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. Here we are posting our weekly forex forecast every single Saturday, as you can see in this one. So you can go back and check it by yourself, one by one, to check the success stories and how we were forecasting the next wave. So for this one, let's go to the XY straight away. This is the XY actually, the dollar index. This is the daily chart. We are using TradingView as a charting platform in case you don't know. So this we are doing our analysis and we are presenting here every Saturday for all of you. So for this one, the XY, all of you know the bigger picture, right? So we've got this drop here, as you can see. Again, drop, up, corrective structure up, and market was falling. From where? From 110, as usual. I'm repeating this one. It was a crazy level by We Trade Waves. And again, market was falling to the downside. Why? Most of you know why. In case you don't know, go back and watch some of our previous forecasts. You will know. We have explained this more than once. Anyway, let's zoom into the 4 hours. For this one, last week we said market was here again. By the way, guys, if you are watching from a mobile, just amend the settings to the 4K. And if you can watch from actually an iPad or a laptop or a desktop on bigger screen 4K, it will be better for you because, you know, it starts actually, and we're doing analysis for this one. It's better to watch on a bigger screen. So for this one, last week we said market will be giving us a corrective structure. Let me show you this one here. This was last Saturday, corrective structure, drop before the next upwave. So we can say 3 waves in advance before the next move. We were forecasting this one wave by wave and we were trading it as well. Any proof for that? Of course, let me go to this one now and show you this. By the way, this is our video last week. Again, 5.6K views 6 days ago. As you can see, it was last Saturday. And thanks a lot, guys, by the way, for all of you are liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. I'm reading actually every single comment myself and I'm trying to reply whenever I can. If you have any question to me, you can put it in the comment section. I will actually reply. Okay. So for this one, this is the XY forecast. Let me play this for you. I hope like the sound will be going as well with the recording. So you know how we're forecasting this one, how market behaved and what market actually did. Let me show you this one. It's a corrective structure, one more drop before the next upwave. So as you can see, last week we said we were expecting a corrective structure, one more drop before the next upwave. So 3 waves in advance. So go back to here. This one, as you can see, corrective structure, drop, and then this upwave. If you remember this forecast, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Again, guys, your actually likes and comments is helping YouTube algo to show this to more traders. And as well, it's motivating us to keep showing here and keep actually giving you the videos on a weekly basis. Again, for this one, I'll zoom out now to show you what's next, what is the structure, and what the market is doing. For now, let me go back to the daily just to show you something critical. This is the last wave here of the bigger corrective structure from here all the way down. So now we're in a downtrend, all right? So the bigger picture, the daily chart is actually in a downtrend. So any sell setup you get after a complete corrective structure, you should go for it. And that's what we were doing, us and our members as well. So for this one, we know the direction is toward the downside and we were selling dollar to the downside since the past few months even, not the past week and not the past few weeks, it's the past few months. So for this one, again, market is in a downtrend, is a sell pressure. Most of you know what's happening lately between, again, Trump and Powell. So this is affecting the dollar, of course, plus all what's happening regarding the geopolitics, regarding the war, regarding actually the trade deals. All of this actually is affecting the financial markets, of course. We are anyway speaking about this one on every Sunday at 12 p.m. UK time with the session for We Trade Waivers. In case you want to join, you can check the website. All the details are on our website. Anyway, for this one, the direction is toward the downside. Any sell setup we get, we should go for it. This is actually remains the same even we are at the end of this downtrend till now. Based on what we see, this looks like we are at the end of the downtrend, but we do not think so. Now back to the 4 hours just to show you again what we are expecting. This upwave here is actually getting ready now. This upwave, okay? But at the same time, we are in a downtrend here. Drop, corrective structure, drop, corrective structure, drop. And what we're expecting next is this, a big corrective structure for one more fall. This is, guys, based on the current market structure, on the current market condition, and on the current fundamental events, and even all what we have in our hands regarding the information and regarding what might be happening next. Of course, the structure can change, and one tweet from Trump might change everything. You know what I mean? So for this one, what we are expecting next, based on the current market structure, is a big corrective structure to the upside first, and then after that, if we get a sell setup, one more fall will be coming, guys. Okay? How far this will go? Will this be one of our trades of the week or not? All of this will be covered tomorrow by T during the Sunday session at 12 p.m. UK time for WTW Pro members. You want to join, you can check this one here, or you can check the first comment to know the details under this video. Okay? So, if you have actually sold this one, you must have made money. And if you bought under this drop here, under this wave, under the liquidity grab, you must have made money as well. Again, what's next? We'll be looking for the buy setups first as a scalping trade. And after the completion of this corrective structure, if we get a sell setup, we might go for it. Alan, can this turn out to be an impulsive wave to the upside? Of course it can. That's why, guys, you have to join actually the trading community to get access to the daily live sessions and Sunday sessions and the updates, so you know what we're expecting next for this one. So this can turn out to be an impulsive wave, guys, all right? But for now, we think that this is a corrective structure for another drop till now, okay? Euro dollar for this one, exactly the same. We said last week, guys, one more push up. We are expecting market to push to the upside. Back to this one, let me change the color. We were expecting this to go to the upside, corrective structure up, and even last week, market was at the top. A lot of traders, guys, worldwide were selling. We have info, we have access to some of the, I would say, internal information, and we knew that a lot of traders were selling euro dollar from here. And we said, no, guys, one will push up before the next drop. Any proof for that, Alan? Of course, back to this one again. This is 6 days ago, as you can see, this is the before. And we said, no, market will push to the upside before any drop. So that's the before, and that's the after. Up before any next drop. And of course, all of this was explained in detail during the Sunday session, the Wednesday update, and the daily live sessions conducted by our seniors. In case you don't know, this is our Discord community. Again, back to this one. You will get access to this one as soon as you join WTW Pro. And this actually Discord community, our community from we have traders from all over the world, and they are actually meeting on a daily basis. Again, this is the schedule, just to let you know. This is where our seniors having the fixed sessions, and on top of that, our moderators are doing time-to-time sessions. As example, Muna is conducting sessions for new traders, for those who are new to trading, and of course, we have as well the WTW Basic course, which is here now. Look at this one. So if I show you this dashboard, this WTW Basic course is here now. It's a new. So in case you want to learn trading from A to Z, the WTW Ways way, you join WTW Pro, you get access to everything, to the dashboard first, and then to the Discord community straight away from day one, okay? So all the resources in front of you, you can get them, you can start to learn how to trade correctly, and actually take trades and make money with us. So for this one, just I want to show you something else regarding this is the daily sessions. These are the daily sessions conducted by our seniors, and this is recorded as well. In case you are not able to attend live, we have sessions on every day from, look at this one. So at 1 p.m. UK time and at 6 p.m. UK time, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as well. Plus the Sunday session with actually T, and the Wednesday update as well with T. This actually we are giving the trades of the week. I'll show you this one shortly. And this we're actually T giving the update on every Wednesday for the members. So again, you will never ever trade alone once you join us. You will trade with a successful trading community. Anyway, back to your dollar. This euro dollar again, this is the before and that's the after. Okay? What's after that? Alan, market actually is correcting, guys. It's not falling sharply, it's correcting, which means this can be a big corrective structure before the next upwave again. All right, Alan, if that's the case, can we sell here? Yes, if you get a sell setup, you can go for it. And this sell setup, once you get into this one, guys, do not close all the position in case this will turns out to be an impulsive wave to the downside. Because at this level, this is a very critical level. We'll update you again, we'll update our members internally. But at this point, we need to see the structures, we need to follow the fundamentals and where the market actually will be stopping, and will the market give us a buy setup or not to go for the buy. For now, again, I'm repeating, based on the current market structure and based on the fundamentals, if we get one more drop here and we get a buy setup, we will be going for it to the upside. This is what we can see till now. Alan, can you be wrong? Of course I can be wrong. So do not follow me blindly, do not over-risk, and do not overtrade. Guys, in order to succeed in trading, you have to learn how to trade correctly. You must learn how to trade correctly. It's not a game, it's not gambling. It's actually something that you have to really pay attention to, put the right work on it, get it from the right people in order to succeed. Otherwise, if you keep gambling the next wave, you will lose again and again. It's not about actually getting revenge if you lost one trade. It's about actually consistency, executing a trading plan on a daily basis on every single trade. Otherwise, you will keep losing. Again, remember, decision is yours. Either you want to jump to the next level with us, or you want to stay wherever you are and actually keep losing again and again. What I suggest you to do not keep losing time and money. Time is more important than money, guys. So learn how to trade correctly from us, join, get the knowledge, check if you like the community or not. If you don't like, you can cancel anytime, but at least try us for 1 month. If you don't like, you can cancel. There is no lock-in period. You get me? So get the knowledge, learn how to trade correctly. I'm not actually promising you with any false dreams like, all right, you will double your account in 1 week, in 2 weeks. It's never like that. To learn how to trade correctly, you need few months. You need 5, 6, 7 months to master the concept. After that, the sky is the limit. We have members, guys, who are tripling, doubling, and actually quadrupling their accounts in 1 month. Can you do that? Of course you can do it. Will you do that from the first week? Of course not. So you need to learn again. You have to study. You have to have the commitment. You have to do the work actually. You have to build your experience, and then after that, you can definitely make money. Again, the success stories are here. You can go to this one, again, to the YouTube channel, and watch all the success stories shared here in this one. I'll not keep sharing them just to not actually bore you with these ones. But again, you can go back and check it by yourself. And you have to put the work. You get me? So for this one, again, just to show you this one quickly before I jump to what's next for your dollar, look at this. Once you join, you will get access to this one. WTW Basic Course, guys, is a must, especially for those who are new to trading. So even if you know nothing about what is a pip, well, like what is a chart, how to open a trade, how to actually really trade, this is where you can start from zero. So from zero to the masterclass course to get the advanced part here in this one, the latest masterclass course to the monthly Q&A sessions recording. This is where we are sharing actually the advanced part of our concept, how to add to winning positions, how to invest, how to trade actually the stocks as well. So all of this actually step by step, the psychology, the structures, again, all of this is here for you, and you can get this once you join WTW Pro from day one. So again, all the resources and in front of you, decision is yours. All right. So back to the charts, euro dollar again. What I'm expecting next is market to give me one more drop before the next upwave, and then after that, we'll update you. Pound dollar for this one, market again went to the upside, like as you can see here, to the upside before the drop. So up first, this was the trade anyway. This was the trade that we took, and then after that, market has fallen. This was a great textbook pattern set up for weighted waivers. All WTW members who trade pound dollar, they get into the sell. First of all, buy, of course, and after that, the sell to make money trading this drop as well. I'll improve for that. Of course, look at this one. This was last week, again, 6 days ago. Last week to the upside before any sell setup. So up was the move first, and this was the up wave before the next drop. All these charts, guys, were updated actually on a daily basis. Especially tomorrow, you will get the first full analysis for all the charts. And in case you don't know what we cover during the Sunday sessions, this is what we cover. Okay, so do not miss them, guys. Here we are sharing as well the trades of the week. I'll show you the trades of the week shared last Sunday anyway shortly. But for this one, you know what I'm talking about. What's next, Alan, for pound dollar? For this one, looks like market will give us a corrective structure, one more drop before the next upwave. So which wave to trade? First of all, I'll be focusing on the sell setup before the next buy. The buy setup, guys, is not, I would say, a high probability chance till now. But first of all, let's go for the sell, and then after that, we'll update you regarding the next trade. Again, what I can see for now based on the current market structure is this. I'm repeating, the structure can change and I might be wrong. So one more fall for another up wave, and then after that, we see what the market will give us. Okay? From which level to trade? From actually the exact point, if this will be one of our trades of the week or not, this will be shared tomorrow during the Sunday session. Do not miss them. Gold, I really hope, I know a lot of you trade gold, guys, and I really hope you made money trading this up wave. Last week, I said to you guys, gold is a buy. Either corrective structure or impulsive wave. You should remember that. And if you remember this forecast, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Again, just for the transparency, this is 6 days ago, guys. And especially if you are new to weighted waves, now you can see, like, if you traded just one of these charts, you must have made a lot of money. Okay, so one chart is enough to make 5, 6, even 10 to 1 in one single trade. If you know how to trade correctly, weighted waves, I would say the weighted waves way. Okay, so for this one, market went to the upside. It was a perfect setup. It was actually great forecast to the upside, up, corrective structure up, then a drop. What's next, Alan? Can this be an expanding flat for another push up? Yes, it can. But at the same time, we don't want to forget that this can be a corrective structure here, one more fall before the next upwave. All what I can say to you, for gold, we are still expecting market to push to the upside. We are bullish either from the current level or even if market give us a corrective structure, one more fall, another push up will be coming. Buy is the move. Any sell setup we get, for a scalping position, for a scalping trade, you can go for the sell, but you have to be very careful. After the drop, if we get a buy setup, we should go for the buy. All right. Aussie dollar for this one, exactly the same thing. Last week we said market will push to the upside, but I'll show you the trades of the week now. So if I go to this one, let me show you this trades of the week. The trades of the week, guys, are shared every Sunday by T during the Sunday sessions, and they are posted inside the Discord as well. So for this one, look at this. This was Aussie dollar. Trade of the week to the upside from here to here. So that's the before, and again, that's the after. So for now, you have DXY, Euro dollar, Pound dollar, gold, and as well, Aussie dollar. How much? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. If you took only one of them, you'll be able to make money, guys, and a lot of money, if you know how to trade. Okay, so for this one, again, this was the trade to the upside, market went to the upside, and exactly from here we've got the reaction from this box. So after that drop, corrective structure drop, corrective structure drop. What's next, Alan? This is actually a corrective structure to us. Anytime I give us one more drop to break this low and we get a buy setup, we might go for it. Okay, so for now, I'm giving you the direction, I'm giving you the bias. For this one, this might be a big corrective structure for one push up before the next structure. Okay, and again, if you want to sell, this is not a great place to sell from. I will wait. There is no sell here to me. Any buy setup we get under this low, we will go for it. New Zealand dollar, exactly the same thing. Market went to the upside, and after that, we've got a drop. Now for this one, as well for all the other, I would say majors, we have one possibility. That's why all of you are still watching till the end. You can get the other direction. So this might be a running flat in the middle for market to fall and keep falling. Okay, so if you're in the sell, make sure to move your stops and let the market unfold in case this will turn out to be a running flat to the downside and market will be falling to the downside more. So for this one, if you're into the sell for New Zealand dollar, move your stops and let the market unfold. Okay, so that's what I can see, and that's what I want to say to you for all of you are still watching till the end. If this is a running flat, market will keep falling to break this low and even fall more if it wants to give us a bigger impulsive structure to the downside. Okay, Dorian for this one, market went to the downside, after that up, and now what I can see is a corrective structure, one more fall. This is all what I can see for Dorian till now. After this corrective structure, we will update you. For now, corrective structure, one more drop will be more than enough to make money trading this wave before the next move. Dollar Swiss for this one, I was expecting this one to push to the upside, but again, due to this deep corrective structure, whenever market push to the downside or like corrects deeply like this, so if you get like this one and then up and the market will pull back for actually deep corrective structure or deep pullback, usually tends to break the low. This is a rule weighted waivers they know. And again, knowledge, guys, once you know, you will have better win rate and you will of course make more money. In case actually, I'll say, instead of gambling the next wave and keep guessing where the market is going next, you should learn how to trade correctly. Get the high probability chance move, know how to maximize profits, and then you take your next trade based on a trading plan. Anything other than that is gambling. All right. So again, if you want to learn all of this, it's inside WTW Pro. So for this one, after market corrects deeply, market went to the upside just to trap retail traders. After that, we've got this fall. What's next? Market start to push to the upside. I'm still expecting this to push to the upside. Any buy setup we get we can go for it. Even if this will be a corrective structure for one more fall, up is the move. Any sell setup for dollar Swiss, I'm not interested in it. Any buy setup I get, I go for it. Even if I will get 1, 2, 3 losses, at the end of the day, this up wave will be coming. And this will give me the max profits if I'm trading this one to the upside. That's the thing, okay? So, DORCAT for this one, market as well went to the downside. This is a massive structure. I'm not liking the structure, to be honest. So, if I need to take any position or any trade here, this has to be to the downside, to be honest. One more drop to break this low before the next up wave. Okay, that's regarding dollar CAD. US oil market is correcting, is actually massive structure now. This is a corrective structure, and after the finishing of this corrective structure, we'll update you. For now, this is up. This is a corrective structure, and if we get a sell setup after the complete corrective structure, we will go for it. And by the way, regarding the trades of the week, not only Aussie dollar, of course, silver as well went to the upside from here to here. So if I go to this one and show you silver, look at this one. As well, this was the second trade, 2 trades. Both of them went to the target. Okay, so back to US oil. For this one, I think it's clear. Bitcoin for this one, market went to the upside after the completion of this expanding flat. And then after that, market started to fall. Alan, you was expecting this to push to the downside. This is actually, guys, still unchanged. Until market breaks this top, this still to the downside. And this can be either an impulsive wave or part of a corrective structure. In all the cases, I'm still biased to the downside because I'm not convinced that this is enough for the corrective structure. Okay, so for this one, after this up wave, market can give us one more drop, even to break this low before the next up move. What will be the reason? I don't know, to be honest. At the same time, I can see this is falling either to give us a corrective structure or an impulsive wave before the next up move. Okay, so under this low or after the completion of the corrective structure, and after that, an up wave will be coming. Of course, bigger picture, the bigger, I would say, forecast or prediction is toward the upside. Most of you know that we were biased to the upside. We were bullish for the cryptocurrencies. Okay, US30 for this one, market went to the upside, and again, nothing is changing. Back to the daily chart, look at this one. We're having this pullback here, this pullback here. Okay, so market most probably will be going to the upside to break this top and this top before any major reaction. Okay, so back to the 4 hours, the structure was clear to us. We've got this up wave, we've got this corrective structure here, this up wave, this running flat in the middle, and after that, all the way up to break this top, and this one as well. Oh, Alan, like, do the patterns really work, and why actually? Of course, guys, the pattern works, and that's how we are making money. And that's why we have this high accuracy, and we have a lot of success stories inside weighted waves, because market structure actually create patterns, and patterns repeats over and over again. It's not about the history, it's about market makers' behavior. All market participants' actions and plan of action will be plotted on the charts. Is there any way to read that? Of course, by learning weighted waves wave analysis concept only. All right, I'm actually, I know what I'm talking about. It's only weighted waves wave analysis concept, because the way we look at the charts, the way we analyze the charts, and the high accuracy that we have, no one have it. All right, with full actually respect to everybody, we are actually the #1 in predicting the next wave, and as well in the success stories that we have. Our members are succeeding big time, and if you want to join, you know what to do. Weighted Waves Pro is actually the solution for you. The links are in the description under this video, in the first comment, and our website as well. T will see all of you guys, all WTW Pro members. T will see all of you tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Do not miss them. He will share with you actually the forecast regarding all these pairs, majors, miners as well, the commodities, the indices, the cryptocurrencies, and of course the stocks, plus any request you have. It's a live session. If you cannot attend live, it will be recorded, so you can watch the recording afterwards before market opens. So with that note, guys, I wish you a successful trading week. You trade with care, and I see all of you next Saturday. Thank you very much.